to implement, and then after that it is better to implement it in place of implementing it without any proper public transportive system. What is your view into it?
Sir, exactly. The CM has told already that it is a trial basis. The system is going to implement on the trial basis. It means it started from 1 January and end on 15th January. Means 15 days session only. So if it is going to implement for the longer period of time, obviously the same the culture, the people used to train for this, the people used to educate for that. What is going to happen in odd and even system, and even we see that first, second, third, or you can say that after 1 week people used to familiar with this odd and even system, and they are going to implement for that. So this is the perfect thing, but if you go for the large scale, then this thing will going to be happen for the society and for the education.
Very good. Shubhangi, my question from you is that as you are against this system,
Yes, sir.
but as per Abhishek, this system, as per in fact, there are a number of environment reports that come during that period of implementation, and all those reports stated that even the High Court had accepted the system that due to the implementation of this system, there is a lot of pollution that decreases during that period.
Right.
Okay, so can't you feel that ki sometimes, maybe not today, maybe after maybe 4 years, 5 years, we need to address the issue of pollution, and this is one of the best tool, what I believe, to decrease the pollution in the country, whether it should be implemented in other cities or not.
Right, sir, I am totally agree with your point. But point was that before starting the odd and even system, the pupils of Delhi should be aware of that system. That's why the government should have basically announced and approaches the new system. That's why they have to start a new coaches in the metro station so that public of the Delhi should not have any type of problem while doing the travel, while going to the office and doing the other work. So that's why I'm going to convey that they have to start proper system.
So if public will be educated about the system, according to
Yes,
you, you
sir.
will come, definitely you will come in favor
Yes,
of the
sir,
system.
right.
है ना?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.